Hello, friends. How are you all doing? This is a nice opportunity Asha Kulkarni has given me to express my views. We have always had some ups and downs in our lives, and whenever we've had these ups and downs, we've always ventured into taking solace from any priest or any sage, sadhu, panditji, or any astrologer. Why don't we have some faith in the ultimate power that has brought us onto this earth? That ultimate power is no one else but God, the God that dwells within us. Why do we want the fear to engulf us? Keeping this in mind and keeping this as motivation to move ahead in this trying and tough times, especially with the coronavirus, I felt like sharing a story with you all. This is a story of a rich merchant in Russia. He was very rich, so he thought that he would own the world. This is a time when he wanted Valenki boots, the boots that the rich merchants in the traditional times wore to flaunt off. Now, this man happened to notice a cobbler sitting in the severe winter outside his cottage. So, what he did was, he kind of challenged him by telling him that you make boots for me. The boots should be the best in the world, and these boots should be ready by tomorrow. Now, as the cobbler was very poor, but he was a very hardworking person, he thought to take this challenge as the will of God and the work of God. So he took the work, and as the merchant left, started on with his work. In this such severe winter, it was not easy for him to cope up with the time and the target and to meet all this with very little money at his disposal for the raw material. He set out to work not only instantly but at a good speed. What happened was, he was overexhausted. In this overexhaustion, he went off to sleep. And in his dreams also, he was only thinking of completing his work on target time. But to his dismay, it became morning, the time when the merchant's carriage man would come and take the Valenki shoes. When he woke up, he saw that the boots were ready. But these boots were not Valenki. They were Bosoviki. Bosoviki are the shoes that are worn by the Russian lords, the Russian merchants in those times when it was a dead body. When a person dies, the boots that were worn onto the feet of the dead body were the Bosoviki. He was too upset, too scared and fearful. Just when he was thinking, what have the fairies of God done? Came the carriage man running to him with absolute fear and sorrow on his face. Fear and sorrow was also on this cobbler's face because he did not know what he would answer. But at that moment, he was given a great relief because God is always there to protect everyone. The carriage man said, "Please, I do not want the Valenki. Please," he pleaded, saying, "Give me any Bosoviki which is ready. Give me any Bosoviki, any size will do." When the cobbler heard this, he had a sigh of relief.